Model number CQDH15R. Now this reach truck is going to be perfect for you if you have a narrow aisle situation in which you need to reach out and grab product off of racking. It has a 3,300 pound capacity and it runs on a 24-volt battery that has a standalone charger. You'll see here that it has a 3-stage mast with free lift. The max height on this is 177 inches. And your overall lowered height is 86.5 inches. We also have a side shift on this unit, and it comes with 48-inch standard tapered forks. And you'll see there that we have tandem poly load wheels. Now coming up here to the unit, let me show you some other great features, including this digital battery discharge indicator that shows you the percentage of your battery life. We have a key on, key off, a high-low for our speed, and we also have this emergency stop over here. Now, looking at our steering column, we have our forward and reverse here on the toggle switches on both thumbs. We have that emergency belly stop in case anyone would get backed up against something. We have a loud horn. Over here, this is our tilt. This is our reach function. On the right, we have our up and down and our side shift. So let me do a quick little demo for you. Like I said, one of the great features of this unit is that it has power steering. So it's very, very easy to control that steering. And let me raise this up for you so I can show you the features. It is very smooth and very quiet. Barely even makes a noise. Now here is our side shift. And here's our tilt. And let me show you that reach function. That's how you'd reach out and grab the product off your racking. This unit is here, it is in stock, and it is ready for immediate delivery. If you have any questions or you'd like to demo this unit or rent, or you're just ready to buy, give our sales team a call at 1-800-435-2449 or visit us on the web at williamstoyotalift.com, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date on equipment that we have available, as well as other features that you need to know about.